Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Hydraulic Heroes. This is Umesh
And this is Jay.
and today we are going to share the origin story behind our channel Hydraulic Heroes.
Well, Hydraulic Heroes really started, Umesh, when we started running into problems trying to answer a lot of questions that our customers had, and actually it was more of our customer's customer. At Pressure Connections, we really did a lot to focus serving our OEM customers, and as we tried to help our customer's customer, we realized that there's a lot of resources that they need.
Yes.
They want to know more about the hydraulics on their equipment, as well as to see more kinds of equipment that they have options to take care of the different problems that we face, whether it's construction or landscaping or forestry or energy. In so many niches of the things that make civilization possible, we have hydraulics in them.